mix when I get some cheddar. Shit, follow reverse. One side sounds better. My pulse meter pulsates when I play my jams. My equalizers got 32 bands. Catch like the battle, he didn't know me. Nah, I drowned him out with my tapes on Dolby. Plus, I only had my volume 1.5. God forbid he really would've tried to get live. It hit nothing, with the music I'm slipping, man. Fuck hip-hop, I'm easy listening. You thought it was gunshots, the way my boombox knocks. Before you see me, you hear me coming down the block. Loud enough to make your eardrums pop, but it won't stop. It don't stop. You thought it was gunshots, the way my